Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create an account in the Google AdMob. So the first step is to sign in using your Google account. So let's try with this account. Okay. Now, after this step, after you log in using your Google account, then search this one, Google AdMob, which is Google Advertisement Mobile. Now let's go to this link and sign in into the AdMob. Yeah, he asks you that it is the first time you're going to use this site, so you will select your country. Let's suppose with Jordan. Okay, so of course, which time zone is suitable for you? Yes, this is Oman. Which currency you are going to use? No problem. For this one, select currency. Let's select, for example, dollar. You can use any one of those. Okay, this USD dollar. Anyway, after this, just I have read and create AdMob account. Now he will start asking you about something like customize help performance, okay, periodic newsletter, occasional. He will send you to your email some news, some special offer, occasional service. So in fact, I'm going to select no for all those questions and then continue. Now you have created your account using the Google AdMob. Then the first step, you have here a button called Get Started. So click on Get Started. He will ask you, have you published your app on Google Play or the App Store? Because you can use this account for both Google Play and also for the App Store for iPhone. So let's select no. Now select your platform. I'm going to select Android. Then what's your app name? For example, Yazan app. Now click on Add. Okay, so in this case, this is your application ID. You will need it then in the code. Let's see that when you create any application using the Google AdMob, it will give you something called App ID. Also, when your account is activated, if you go here, you will get something called Publisher ID. The Publisher ID is your ID, while here this is the application ID you have created, because you can create multiple applications, so you will get multiple application ID, but you have only one publisher ID. Okay, now he will ask you, do you want to create an advertisement? Yes, create ad unit. Which type of advertisement you are going to create? Is it banner, the most popular, the intro, which is the full screen or the full page advertisement, or rewarded some advertisement for just if you see this video, you will get 5 units as credit or something like that. So let's select the banner. Okay. Now, do you want to add any name for this advertisement? Yeah, I'm going to call it my ads, for example, and then create ad unit. Now you will get also, this is your application ID, and this is your advertisement or banner ID. Okay, so you will need both of those. Now you can click on them to finish these steps. So in this video, you have created a Google account for AdMob, then you have created an application and get your application ID, and then you have created an advertisement and you get your advertisement ID or unit ID. Okay? See you next video.